Like, come on now. This is giving grown vibes. Definitely grown. I am so excited to try out this new hair that I received from LUVME. Oh my god. So I've been wearing long hair, I feel like, throughout the summer, and that's the problem because it is hot as out here. It's too hot. It's too hot. And more than that, so this is short hair, if it's what I think it is, short hair, and it has color, and I love adding color to my hair. So not just, you know, your basic black, but highlights too. So I'm about to open it up and we will see what we have in here. And more than that, this hair is glueless. Like, you know, when you be patting your head because your hair is itchy from the glue, I hate that so much. So I've really been into glueless hair. Yeah, let's open it and see what's inside.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel like chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. So no one else told me what to do. That's why I'm spend my life with you. I wanna please you in any way I can. I wanna share my world, don't you understand? Your love is no one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is no one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long.
This is crazy. I'm obsessed. I'm obsessed. This hair is fire. It's giving. It's definitely giving what it needs to give.
Turn me inside out, make my heart beat. Need no one else, you're all I need. Personality, everything you do, it's me, love, everything about you. Your smile, your style, so fly, can't deny. I got a crush on you, that's true indeed. I'm digging you, you make me believe. Your love is one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling. All day long. Your love is one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long. It's not that I don't want you here. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time.
It took me a while to get both sides to look the same, but I'm not gonna lie, right now I am in love with this hair. This hair is fire. I'm so obsessed right now. Like, this is crazy. The way the lace is lacing, like, this is really glueless. Like, I didn't have to add any glue and it's giving what it needs to give. Like, I'm obsessed. Nah, this is so fire. This is really the definition of a ready to go wig. Like, this is glueless. The knots are pre-bleached. the hairline is pre-plucked. Like, what? Like, you just put it on and go. Because after I cut the lace off, like, I could have just went. Like, I could have just left and went. Like, I am obsessed with this. This hair is limited edition. So, girl, if you want this hair, now's the time to get it. I'm gonna drop the link in the description box below. This is giving grown vibes. Definitely grown. I love short hair on me, and I'm definitely loving this look. And I love the highlight color. It blends really well. Oh, like, come on now. So that is all for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Definitely like, comment, subscribe if you haven't already. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.